Alright guys, how's it going? I'm going to make my famous chili today. We're going to take 2.5 pounds of beef we got right here. It's already been cooked. I've pre-cooked everything already for the beef. Then you're going to put it in your pan and you're going to turn the burner on. Then you're going to add some diced tomatoes into your pan. Then you're going to add some pinto beans into your. Then you're going to get a can of black beans and then drain it and pour it in the pot. Then you're going to add some great northern beans into your pot. Should look something like this. Now we're going to get the secret ingredients, guys. This is the secret part. We're going to add some ketchup to it. We're going to add probably this whole container, which isn't much left. So then I added some water to the bottle because you got to add water and ketchup to it. Then you're going to add some brown sugar to this. Now we're going to add some chili powder to here. We don't measure anything. We're going to add a little bit of cummins to it. We're going to add a little bit of garlic powder to it. And then original Dano's we're going to add to it. It's optional. Alright. And this is the finished product.
Chew, chew, chew. That's a big bite. Come on. Do it. Chew it. Chew, chew, chew.